Squeeze toothpaste into a bottle, and the results will surprise you. In just a few minutes, you'll create a solution to your problem. Start with a plastic or glass bottle. Squeeze about 2 tablespoons of any toothpaste into it. Then add about 50 milliliters of vinegar. Vinegar dissolves deposits, greasy stains, and bacteria while preventing moisture. Finally, pour in warm water to help dissolve the toothpaste and create a uniform mixture. Seal the bottle and shake it well. Your spray is ready. Use it on windows, mirrors, or other surfaces. Wipe with a microfiber cloth for a streak-free shine. This spray works wonders in cars too, especially on interior windows prone to fogging. It removes smudges, reduces fogging, and keeps your surfaces clean. A natural, effective solution for cleaning windows in humid areas, bathrooms, or car interiors. This simple mixture does wonders to eliminate streaks, residue, and moisture issues.
Rub half an apple on your car window. After a while, you'll see why it's worth doing. It's an old trick that many people have likely forgotten. It turns out that half an apple can be useful during rain. This sight is probably familiar to any driver. However, if our car has weak wipers, a simple half apple can enhance their performance. Just carefully spread it on the car window, centimeter by centimeter. Apples naturally contain malic acid, which creates a lotus effect on the glass. This is a scientific concept that describes the self-cleaning effect of surfaces, first discovered in plants of the Nelumbo lotus genus. A window treated this way will quickly repel water and dirt from its surface. This improves visibility on the road, especially during winter. Just wipe the window with half an apple from time to time.
Say goodbye to fingerprints on glass. Fingerprints can be a real nuisance, whether on windows, mirrors, or other glass surfaces. This trick will help you forget about stubborn smudges. Start by preparing a container of water. It's where you'll mix your solution. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar, followed by 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Then, add a dash of fabric softener. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly and pour the solution into a spray bottle. Make sure to use a bottle with a sprayer. Grab a kitchen sponge and a cloth. Spray the solution on the areas with fingerprints. Use the soft side of the sponge to gently clean the glass surface and remove any grime. Then, polish the surface with the cloth. This spray is also perfect for cleaning other glass or mirrored surfaces. Stubborn marks will disappear, and what's more, they won't come back. Cleaning will never feel like wasted effort again. Take a dustpan, a stocking, and a few drops of a specific substance. This set will make your windows shine like never before. You'll forget about streaks forever. Everyone dreams of clean windows, but you don't have to spend money on special cleaning fluids. A homemade spray will make your windows sparkling and there won't be a single streak on them. Before you learn my recipe, familiarize yourself with the method of cleaning windows with a dustpan. Many people don't know that it can be useful when cleaning glass. However, it has something that is very useful for this task. It can replace a squeegee when you don't have one. The rubber element is perfect for this. And the stocking? Nylon tights and stockings have a certain property. No streaks or streaks appear on windows polished with them, even after rain. So if you polish your windows with an old stocking after washing them, they will shine for weeks. The window cleaning solution itself should have one important ingredient. It prevents dust, dirt, or grime from settling on the windows. It also reduces the risk of streaks. A small amount is enough for the windows to stay clean even twice as long as usual. Pour half a liter of regular water into a container. Add half a cup of vinegar. Pour in a tablespoon of dishwashing liquid. Squeeze the juice from half a lemon. And finally, add several drops of glycerin. If you don't have glycerin, you can use fabric softener or winter windshield washer fluid. These products contain glycerin. Windows washed with this solution are so clean that even a fly won't land on them. And that's literal. The scent of vinegar and lemon effectively repels insects. Flies, fruit flies, and even mosquitoes will not come near. Is cold air coming through your windows? Switch to winter mode, and your home will feel warmer while saving on bills. A hidden screw in the window frame allows you to change the setting from summer to winter mode. Not many people know that this should be done twice a year, once in summer and once in winter. Grab a pair of pliers or a special window key. The screw responsible for this change moves when you press the window handle. It controls how tightly the window sash presses against the frame. Upon closer inspection, you'll notice that one side of the screw is longer than the other, marked with a large dot. You can adjust it with pliers or a special key. The screws may vary in shape depending on the window manufacturer and are hidden not just on one side, but also on the top and bottom frames. How do you change your window from summer to winter mode? Grab the screw with pliers and turn the largest dot toward the window frame. This increases the seal's pressure, stopping airflow. Cold drafts will no longer sneak into your home through gaps. While it's a small detail, over the course of the heating season, you'll notice a big difference. Did you know windows have different modes? Have you already switched yours to winter mode? Here's my secret for streak-free, shiny windows. The tannins act as a natural cleaner, removing grease and dirt. Grab a cup and a tea bag, make sure it's black tea. Pour hot water into the cup, filling it halfway. Let the tea steep for about 10 minutes. Then, take a spray bottle and funnel. Remove the tea bag and pour the tea into the spray bottle. Add freshly squeezed juice from half a lemon, which works as a degreaser and antibacterial agent. Fill the rest of the bottle with water, and your mixture is ready. Spray it on your windows and wipe with a microfiber cloth, making sure to cover all areas. After this trick, you'll get amazing results. This affordable homemade window cleaner will leave your windows sparkling clean. Remember, by brewing strong black tea and using it as a cleaning solution, you can achieve streak-free, shiny windows. Soak a cotton pad and wipe down your window frames to get rid of a nasty problem. Wipe even the windowsill. There are several reasons why. Not only do your windowsills and frames become cleaner and regain their bright white color, but the main reason is different. Mix equal parts water and vinegar in a spray bottle. This solution has antibacterial properties and is non-toxic, safe for kids and pets. Spray it on your window frames and sills without worry. You can also soak cotton pads and wipe the frames thoroughly. Insects hate the smell of vinegar, and its repellent effect lasts a long time. In the fall, when insects seek shelter, this trick will be your best ally. Just wipe the windows regularly, and insects will stay away. All flying pests will disappear. Plus, your windows will be shiny and streak-free.